Right. Morning, team. God, still getting used to this. Can you hear me? Yeah. Where's Tom? I just have to. We'll have to wait. Oh, hi, Tom. What? You're on mute. You're on mute, Tom. You're on mute. Great. Yeah, I can hear you now, Tom. Right, we best get on with hello! Did anyone recognise my friend there? He was having a little bit of a mare, wasn't he? Yeah, because he suddenly had to get used to, very quickly, managing his team remotely, and he's getting a bit stressed, a bit anxious about it, and he needs to know some top tips on how to do it effectively. So me and Claire have been having a chat, and we really, really want to help you with that, don't we, Claire?
Yeah, absolutely. What we've done is we've put together a 90-minute online video tutorial for you to come and join. And what we'll be doing in that is we'll be allowing you and enabling you to explore, to learn, and to understand the following.
We'll be looking at the differences in managing locally and remotely. We'll be looking at advanced communication skills, building trust, coaching, giving feedback, setting a clear direction, and creating a positive impact.
We'll be running these courses over the next few weeks, so please make sure you book your place now.
Great, looking forward to seeing you then.